Kansas. That's what I'm saying. As if top 30 is an accomplishment. Well, they've given that as an option. Good. Skip practice.
All right, take driver.
I feel like I had a good truck back. Wasn't as good as I thought it was, I guess.
Qualify. Make it
Skids
count
for people in the background.
All right, time's up. Let's see where we place.
Excuse me. Well, I'll be back in 1 second. Close the doors. We can stop hearing their conversation back there. Top 20. Where's the guy? I like it. Alright. Where do you think we're going to get this race?
All right, now, be smart out there. Going green. Almost ready. Green flag, green flag. Got a car coming inside now.
We'll cap off the night with a W.
Careful, still there. Inside, inside. All right, you're clear. Hold your line, got one outside. Still there, inside. You're all clear up top. Careful, still there. 3 wide, you're in the middle. Hold your line there. Clear low, clear low. All right, you're clear there.
What is up? What's going on, J Star? I'm doing good, buddy. Appreciate you dropping in, showing some love, some hype. Doing our last race of career mode for the night, and we're going to find a non-affiliate raid.
Careful, still there.
Definitely appreciate the support, buddy. Got a few people tabbed up right now. Like 2 of them rated out somebody already. Refresh those. I have to get that. Heat 5 is not the best game ever, but it's also not the worst. Got that going for it. You missed it earlier. Did start a league on Thursday nights. So if you're on Xbox and want to hop in, we only got like 6 people right now. So nearly every car is open.
Careful, still there.
We are looking for more people to join. Eventually, you can either type exclamation point Discord or wait a couple minutes. It should show up for the Discord, which is my community Discord, as well as where I post the. But I'm having to do 2 different Discords for it.
Inside.
With deja vu with the tire situation.
Watch those tires. Got one peeking inside. You got room, you're clear there. Watch those tires. You blew a tire.
Oh, snap.
Inside, inside.
Pay attention to that. Story of the night tonight. Me blowing freaking tires, man. What is up with that? Well,
Coming to the green, driver.
pay attention to my tires.
Ready. Stay on the bottom here. Still there. Top 3, use it if you need it. Stay low, stay low. You got room, you're clear.
I'm
Okay,
trying,
still
good
there.
stuff. I'm trying.
Careful, still there. All right, you're clear there. Stay on the bottom. Careful, still there.
Need to get a top 10 in this race at least.
Top 3, use it if you need it. Outside, outside. All right, you're clear there. Careful, still there. You got room, you're clear. Got one down low now. Low's clear.
Ah. Left, left.
Car outside, hold your line. Careful, still there.
Appreciate that alert, Jason. Raging Corn, what is up? Thank you for stopping by.
Yellow's out, back her down.
Ooh, okay. How are you doing?
All right now, be smart out there.
You're
Going
losing the
green.
spots.
Almost ready. Hammer down, green's out.
Definitely appreciate it. I'll get you back on both if I haven't already. I think I have,
Stay
though.
on the bottom. You got room, you're clear there.
You planning on, or are you already affiliate, or are you planning on becoming an affiliate? Are you a streamer?
Stay low. You got room, you're clear there. Outside. You're all clear up top. Stay high, stay high. Car outside, hold your line. Top 3, use it if you need it. Hold your line, stay high. Bottom's clear. Got one peeking outside. Top's free, use it if you need it. Got a car coming inside now.
Glad to hear it. You're Warren, I was gonna say I'd do everything in my power to help you out.
Inside.
Getting there.
That was a better lap.
Trying, J-Star. Almost there.
Still there?
We'll come out the way a little bit. I'm pissed off. Like, I get these runs on these guys, but I can't make it stick.
Careful, still there. All right, you're clear there. Careful, still there. Stay low, stay low. You got room, you're clear.
Making some progress now.
Still there. Still there.
Going on. Catch up.
Towers, call to caution.
Almost there you
You're
go.
coming to the green. Are you ready now?
Almost there.
Green, green, green. Still there? Clear all around there. Careful, still there. Stay on the bottom. Careful, still there. Still there. Clear high, clear high. Careful, still there. You got room, you're clear there.
One person we gotta pass, and then we'll be top 10, y'all.
That was a great lap. Wow, that's fast.
Gap a little bit.
Five laps to go.
Yeah, Pete.
Yeah. I'm getting a little bit of good. Woo! Get loose off that turn now. Watch that.
This is my shot.
Out of time, y'all. Out of time.
All right now, I need 2 more good laps from you.
Alright, y'all. Final lap. Get past this one last car. It'll be top 10. Just hit the wall, which is not going to help my case any. Pretty much careful. Alright, 11th place it is. So close. So close. Eight-point difference in first place now. Yeah, it's getting a little bit harder to accomplish. But that's all right. still in the fight. Still in the fight. Let's see who's mad at me, where we're going next week. And then we're going to raid out to somebody. Top there, Roman. $24 more fans. Race 10. Oh, Texas. All right. I like Texas.